Good morning, hot dogs. Welcome back to fun. We're doing a real big, just a short video of LAX over here by the In-N-Out. There's No. Welcome back to the fun, Brandon.
Back to the fun.
All right. There's LAX. Shout out to Jesus. We're waiting for Nona's parents to come back from Japan. Hopefully they let them through customs. Come on, Donald Trump. And here comes an airplane. While that one's coming, this one's leaving right here. Look at it. You guys see it? No? How about now? There it is. Oh, look at that, my guys. Coming in for a landing. It looks pretty cool. I think it's gonna land on top of us. Come on, let's see that touchdown. Touchdown, all right. Passengers, move out, get out. Pretty cool. All right, we're just waiting till we get the word for Nona's parents to go pick them up. We're 5 minutes away. The bus is over there. Let's see if we could. There it is. Took me a long time to find parking. There's like a little park here, and then there's that famous In-N-Out. It's famous because it's right next to the airport, and you get a lot of good shots of the airplanes coming in. There's some people there. I seen some trash, so if you're gonna make it over here, don't leave your trash on the ground. That one's a jumbo one. Look at that. Asiana Airlines. Damn, that's big. And just for a little heads up, we will be on a plane, not on this vacation, but on the following one in June. Stay tuned to know where we're going, to find out where we're going. And no, it is not Mexico. It will be out of the country. Wow, that's huge. Look at all the tires it got. Look at that. Heavy guy, heavy. Looks like it's getting ready to take off, so I'm gonna stand by and look. There she goes. Bye-bye, hot dogs. I think that's as far as I can zoom. Not such a great picture. All right. Oh, look, there's another one coming. Touchdown. You saw the smoke? It's nice and cool out here. Whoa. All right, let's head back. Let's get ready to pick up Jima and Jipa. And road trip tomorrow. Find out where. Very soon. I did mention on the first video that we'll be hitting up a game. That was the Dodgers. Amusement park. We did Universal yesterday. Another theme park we'll be doing later this week. It won't be Universal. And then I did say we'll be going out of town. That'll be tomorrow on a road trip. Little bit of everything, balling on a budget. Good job. My turn?
Yes?
Alright, hopefully I don't get injured.
Oh my goodness. My turn. Just kidding. No.
Oh no, she's doing it. Awesome tree. Alright, we got word. Jima and Jeepa got their bags. Let's hop on the bus and scoop them up. We're 5 minutes away, Google says. Look at all the flags, my guys. I think the USA should be a lot bigger. A lot bigger. What's up with this buffet you said, Nona?
Ryan Trehan went here.
How do you know?
Because he had a video. And it's
One star buffet?
Yeah, the low 1-star restaurant.
And then there's a what? KFC over there?
Yeah, there's a KFC.
So it is this one?
Yeah, it's that one.
YouTubers.
You ever been to New Panda Buffet?
Nah.
I'm in Los Angeles, California. I flew here specifically because this restaurant's Yelp page is actually the most hilarious thing I have ever seen.
The Dalai Lama waffles and ice cream. Have you been there, Nona?
No.
Is it a chain? I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah?
They had a kiosk at the mall, but it went out of business.
A kiosk?
Yeah.
Of waffles?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's like a waffle cone.
Yeah.
I thought it was waffles.
No.
Look at that hot dog. The airport was hectic. We already got some snacky bears.
Strawberry mochi.
Straight from Japón. In Spanish, Japan. What does it say?
I don't know, it looks like Mario gummies.
This is not your people's writing?
No. 2 different kinds.
Who can help us? Who do we know? Amber?
Amber.
Amber, help us. What does it say? Mario?
Or you could like scan.
This looks good. This one looks good too.
Scan it until you see what it says.
Oh, you're not gonna wait till you get home, huh?
No.
Open it.
Yeah.
Whoa, a lot of powder came out.
Mm-hmm.
Enjoy.
Thanks.
Tirarakimasu. I don't know what they say. Whoa, it's really squishy.
Tastes good.
Look at that. It's like a gummy, but very kind of like it's melting. Not super sweet, so it's good, but kind of the texture's weird. I think.
Love it. I mean, I eat
It's
a
like
lot of
melting
mochis.
gummy.
I don't know how you.
I guess I'll try a Yoshi. Oh no, this is Mario.
Mario. Who's
It's
that?
a Mario.
These are. Oh, this one's Yoshi.
This one's weird. At the beginning, then it starts to get sweet, but it's definitely not like that one. It's kind of like a hard, regular gummy. Yeah, it's good. Grandparents are hungry. Pho 2000 it is, Vietnamese original noodle. Over here in K-Town. We got Buddha over there. Okay. Brandon, sit in the middle. The menu's on the table. Let's do some pho.
What can I get then?
Oh no, let's do some fried rice.
You wanna try it?
I was eyeing this one, but I think this one's better. Oh my gosh. I know what that says. Right there. That says seafood, beef, chicken, fried rice. I know how to read. Brandon, they have little toy plates to play. Cool. I want one. Oh, they're not toys. They're for toppings or condiments. Okay. I'll try the spicy. Oh, which one? They have two of
There's
them.
two. There's this one.
What's that one? Are they the same?
This looks dark.
Oh, I think I'm gonna go with my comfort one. Cool. That's good. There I am. Cool. That looks awesome. Hey, no, why'd they bring you flowers?
To add it to the fire.
Oh, so the ingredients? Kind of like Mexican with cebolla and cilantro. Oh, they brought you the whole plant. Look at that. Shouldn't it be chopped up? I don't know. This is water. We're gonna stick with water today. Alright, let's see if we see any shrimp so far. No shrimp. No shrimp. Oh, we got one. Extreme close up. Loving the color. Looks awesome. Steam. Looks good. Cilantro. I prefer the big old spoons. Yeah. What is this?
Chopsticks.
I don't know how to use these.
Just open it.
No way. I got a spoon.
Oh, thank you. Can I get a fork? Just one. Thank you. Yeah, no pickles.
What'd you get? A bowl full of broth? Where's the noodles?
It's down here. It cooks in the
Wow.
Thank you. It cooks in the hot soup.
And-
Also the meat.
I got broth too. Why did I get broth? Yeah, the meat was pink, so it's cooking now? Just eat it raw. I see the noodles now. Some lady came in with kids, bought like 2 of these, got some smaller bowls, started sharing them, and it's really hot. All she did was grab some ice from the ice water and put it in there for her kids. Nice hack. You should try that, Nona. That looks really hot. So I like the portion. For show. Egg roll time. Mmm. Super crunchy. Not gonna lie, I love the Jack in the Box egg roll better. It's like twice the size. Brandon got a shirt. Mofusan bread meow. Silver coat cats. I heard I got a jellyfish one. Mickey Mouse jellyfish. Let me see. Oh, it's a Mickey Mouse jellyfish. Look at that. That looks pretty cool. This one's for me. What is that? Your door? I don't know. Cool tiger. Anything in the back? Oh, most definitely. Sake lovers. Look at that. So what part of Japan did they go to? There's like different spots. Whiskey? What's going on? Japan. Alcohol loving brands. Pretty cool. Oh, the sleeve. This one's Nona's. Looks like a girl, and there's like birds around it. Yeah, bird. That looks nice. That looks like it could be a tattoo on someone's back. That looks cool. Hey, look at this interesting Kit Kat. It changes color or it's different colors.
No, that's Mount Fuji flavor.
Mount Fuji? Oh, I see the mountain in the background. That's dope. Oh, he's gonna open one. All right, let's share. Sharing is caring, my guy.
You got one more, I got the other.
Nice. Looks just like the packaging.
Smell it.
Oh yeah, it smells fruity.
Yeah.
Looks blue on the right side.
It looks like blue.
Is our small cookie wrong size?
Yeah.
What?
Is it okay?
Mm.
It's pink.
And where
Tastes like a mountain. No.
Blueberry
Magnet.
cheesecake flavor.
The what?
Mount Fuji.
he knows
Blueberry
Brandon knows.
cheesecake.
I was gonna say blueberry. Oh, a cheesecake. No wonder it tastes awesome.
Brandon knows.
That one gets a 5 out of 5. I thought this was a drink. It's Kit Kat. Sake. Kit Kat. Comes in a box.
Why don't you call Erica
We
now?
emptied them out over there.
To schedule it tomorrow.
Oh.
While she is still in the
They say all the tourists must have this. Looks like chocolate, but with a biscuit on, or a cookie on the back. That's awesome. I like the ship. It looks awesome. I feel like Charlie in a chocolate factory. Pull the other side. Where's the golden ticket?
It's inside. Can we just make a golden ticket?
Don't tell Mama. We're gonna have some.
9 cents.
They're small individual pieces. That is the smallest little bite. That's so awesome. It looks pretty cool. You ready?
Yeah.
Salud.
Cheers.
Who says tararakimasu? I don't know. Mmm. I love it. Awesome combination of chocolate and cakey. 5 out of 5. Ooh, this magnet gets way better. I haven't seen this Pocky. Chocolate caramel.
Oh, so this one's strawberry and the bean.
Ooh, a bunch of Kit Kat. Matcha latte, and then Fuji, Mount Fuji and whatnot. This one that has bean in there.
Yeah,
It looks
bean
like
and
red
strawberry.
bean, strawberry.
Oh, there's an apple here.
No, got a little coin bag. Oh, it has a heart.
Yeah, I can try.
These are good.
This is Pocky. Oh, there's headphones. What is that? Earphones? 60%? Maybe cacao? I don't know. This one says chocolate, but I think it's what? Green tea? Matcha? Plenty of more of these to go to. What flavor is that? I just noticed this. It's upside down. There's a cassette. That explains the earphones, but still, I don't know what does that mean.
A hairbrush.
I don't know what this is, but it looks pretty cool. Heading home. 101. Always a nightmare. Anyways, I told Nona when their parents went to Japan and they said, oh, we're gonna bring you a shirt, and I was like low-key thinking, I hope they bring me a Toyota Supra shirt. They did. I just seen it. We totally missed it. I'll show you in a bit when we get home. I'm super excited. I'm gonna wear that tomorrow maybe. Here we go. More packages. Good job, Nona. More packages for Mama. Here's my Toyota Supra shirt straight from Japan. Dole twin turbo. Beyond Osaka. Nothing on the back. Alright, that's it for today, hot dogs. Let's find a spot for this magnet. Whoa. If you're enjoying the fun shows by using your thumb, like, share, and subscribe. Hit the like button, smash it, do what you gotta do. Comment if you like. There it goes. Bye, guys.